Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Our Saved Blocks feature helps you maintain a consistent style and minimize the time it takes to launch your campaigns. In this video, I'll show you how to create and use saved blocks in OptinMonster. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. So I've just finished designing my campaign, and there are a few blocks that I want to save for reuse in the future. To do so, I just need to hover over the block I want to save and select the save icon. I'll give my block a descriptive name and optionally add a note in the note field, and when I'm finished, I'll click Save Block. Saved blocks are stored in their own section located below the Standard Blocks section. You can easily manage existing saved blocks. Just select the Manage button. Here, you can sort by block type or search for a specific block. You can edit the name and notes, duplicate a saved block, or delete it. Deleting a saved block will only remove it from being available to add to campaigns moving forward. If you've added this saved block to a campaign previously, those campaigns will remain unchanged. To use a saved block in your campaign, simply drag it onto the campaign just like any other block. Once you've placed your saved block in your campaign, you can edit it, but any edits you make will only apply to this block in this campaign. Any changes you make won't be reflected in any campaign where this saved block was previously used. To make the changes to the saved block permanent moving forward, simply click the Save icon and select either Save as New to create a new saved block under a new name, or Replace Existing, and the changes will be saved to this saved block for all instances going forward. And that's it. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help.